everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. Today I'm going to be doing a really cool review for you. This is the Nakoos Magnifying Clamp Light. Now, if you have a problem seeing like I do, then you know that a magnifier, especially with a light, is really something that you do need. And so I'm going to show you how I use this, and I'm also going to show you what types of things that I use this for. And then I will link down below in the description box so that you can grab one for yourself. Hey, while you're there, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. We're gonna just get started. Let's open the box and see what comes in here. So it comes with a cleaning cloth, and it comes with an instruction manual, which looks like it's pretty easy to set up, a letter of thanks. Oh my goodness, this is cool. It comes with a clamp so that you can clamp it onto your workspace while you use it. Comes with your power cord that you need. It has a USB, so you can plug in directly if you have a USB outlet, or you can also use a regular plug-in outlet. And it just goes in like that, super easy. Some more tools, it looks like screws and stuff to assemble. And then the magnifying glass itself. Now that is a magnifying glass if I have ever seen one. How cool is this? And you can control your settings here. You can control the brightness, you can control, you can take it up or down. Here's your power button. I believe this rotates it, but I'm not sure. We'll play with it and find out. And now I'm going to use this little knob right here to turn our magnifying glass like that, so that it can be in the position that I need it in for what we need to use it for. So it can reach out, go over like so. That's pretty sweet. Ooh, if you really needed to get to cutting some fabric, you could definitely use that. Be very, very precise. Okay, let's plug it in and see what that does. So I've turned it on. You can see the light. Let's brighten it up. You can see it's dimming. You know what, maybe that'll make it a little easier to see it. And now I'm going to turn it back up. So that'll change the lighting, so you can change it to a blue hue, more blue, kind of like a nighttime setting there. Daytime, daytime. It's really cool. Okay, so this is neat. So this just clamps on to your desk or wherever you're working on your surface. If you want to adjust it, you can change it by moving around with these little side clamps here. we're gonna use this in action. I want to see what this one does though, because here's another side clamp. Looks like, oh, you can move it straight up if you want to. Move it over. That's if you're really tall, which I'm not. This is too tall for me. So we're gonna drop this back down because I'm short. So let's take that back down. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I clamp this on. So we're gonna do it on the sewing machine table here. And this is the clamp part right there. And then you just move this down. Remember, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So then I'm just gonna bring it back, bring it down over here, and I'm gonna just set it on this lip right here. And then I'm just going to tighten it, just like that. Then I need to turn this just like that. And say I'm working on something on my sewing machine. I'll turn that on. And I need to see it up close, like maybe if you're seam ripping something or you're just wanting to see something up close while you're sewing it, you can do it with this. Okay, so I've got it set up and I want to show you just how clear this is. There you go. That's how clear it is through the magnifying glass. So if you're, you know, working on something and you're sewing, it's right there. You can actually see it. So I'm gonna do a stitch out on here on just a piece of scrap fabric, and then we are going to see how this is for seam ripping. You can see how much it magnifies just on there. Look at that. Before, after. It's quite the difference there. All right, so I have my piece of fabric, and now we are going to look and see what this looks like up close. Before and after. You can see how much easier it is to pick out stitches with this. And the extra magnifier really helps. Look at that. It really amplifies those stitches. Whereas if you're just looking at it normal through the magnifier, it's like this. But wow, this is really, really nice. The next place that I'm going to try this is on my long arm machine. Now, I could have used this yesterday when I had to seam rip off out of this quilt yesterday. Oh my goodness, is that a feat? I hate doing it, but it does happen from time to time. So this would have been amazing because actually this does open up wide enough right here that you can see so that I can actually hook this onto this bar. Now you wouldn't do this if your machine was on and it was going, but when you're just working on something and you're gonna seam rip, then it's not that big of a deal. So I'm just gonna twist this onto this front bar. You could also use a rolling cart or something like that, a desk or whatever you had, some kind of a hard surface if you didn't want to clamp like this onto your quilt. But you can see how easily that just went on there. This USB cord that I have right there, it's going to plug into my machine. So we're going to do that right now. All right, so my sewing machine has a USB slot right here. And I'm going to slide into that. And that's going to give power to our light. And I am just going to move us out and set us up over here. There. I'm gonna go ahead and to turn on the light, and I'm going to push this back so that we can see what we're doing. I'm going to move that down a little bit lower. Oh yes, I really needed this yesterday. With the magnifier, you can see those stitches right there, and they are super clear. Now you can change the coloring on this too, like I had stated earlier. So you can change that to a blue hue. Need more of a, there's the yellow, more of a blue. So you can see all those cool colors there. You know what else this is great for is when you're sitting down to do binding. If you're hand binding a quilt with this, you could actually use this and you could just really get that knocked out by just stitching so quickly, because you can actually see what you're doing. Your eyes aren't fighting to find the spot where it need to be. All right, I hope that you like this as much as I do. I want to thank Nakoos for sending this to me, and I really, really do love this. I will be using this from now on, especially when I have to do seam ripping on my long arm, because that really makes a difference. And also for binding, because my eyes aren't as good as they used to be. And it's just, it's nice to have a tool that you can use, and one that's really adjustable. So like I showed you, you can turn this little knob over here and change the way you want to look at your project, or you could just leave it like that. So I think I will keep mine by my sewing machine for that very, very purpose. Like I said, you can move it up and down. It's very, very adjustable. The light, the different shades of lighting are perfect. And that is all for me today. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. The link for this is also down in the description box. If you would like to follow me on YouTube, please do so by clicking the little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And I will see you guys next time. Keep on crafting. Bye-bye.